everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have beautiful friends. What is your name?
My name is Divina Banhao Abueva.
Divina, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
18 years old. So by the way, where are you from?
I'm from in Bindoy, Negros Oriental.
You are from Bendoy. So Divina, are you working here at Dumaguete?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So Divina, because you are Morena, do you have a boyfriend already?
I have a ex
You have
live-in
ex
partner.
before or now?
Yeah. Before.
You have. Oh, but you are young because 18-year old. You have a live-in partner?
Yeah.
Then do you have a baby?
Yeah, I have a baby.
So now we don't have your boyfriend. Are you planning to looking for your foreigner boyfriend? Huh?
Maybe.
Yeah, you try. So yeah, because you know what, I have a lot of subscriber to watch to my YouTube channel. I think he likes with you because you know what, you are very morena. So how tall you are? Unsa ka kataas?
5.5. Because
5'3"? I think 5'3", right? So Divina, are you ready to mingle if you have a foreigner interested that with you? Nang ganahan ka mong yung foreigner?
maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, this is Divina. It's very beautiful and morena. So how many babies do you have?
Only one.
Only one? So
Yeah.
how old is she, your babies?
He is 8 months.
8 months. But you know you are good English. So are you finished high school graduate?
No. I'm in grade 7.
Grade 7? But you're good in English. So your English is, it's better. I think you're looking for a foreigner boyfriend, right? So now what is your planning in your life about your baby?
I plan to support my son and I want to continue my studying.
You like to going to study?
Yeah.
What happened? You stop your study because your parent is
I'm in broken family.
broken family.
Yeah.
So now you're planning to continue with your
Yeah.
study. If they have somebody, they will support that with you. So if you have people, he supported with you. What course do you like?
Nursing.
You like nursing,
Yeah.
but it's very hard.
Well, I
But
like
this
nursing.
is you like. Okay. And then, how many months you're working here?
Wala po. Ay,
Bago pa ka diri? Pila ka adlaw? How many days?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? So how much your per day salary?
Monthly for 4,500.
Good. So you're stay in or stay out?
Stay in.
Stay in. So it's okay with you. Whose people caretaker your baby?
My grandparents.
Your grandparents.
Yeah.
So every week you're visiting your baby?
No.
Ano?
Monthly. Ining. Doon ako.
So if you have accept a salary.
Yeah.
Okay. And then tell me about your story in your life. What happened? You're very early. You have a live-in partner. Ano sa'yo kang naa kay uyab? Kay naa kay ipon? Because this is the province, right?
Yeah.
Very, very early to get a boyfriend. Then after that, you have a babies. So now, where is your father now? Is married again?
Oh, another
lady. Then your mother is married too. So how many siblings do you have? Pila mo kaigsuon? Ulo?
9.
9. Oh, yeah, you have a lot of sister and brother. So you are the eldest or second?
Second.
Second. Oh, So, your eldest sister is married already?
No.
Ano? Is still working?
Still studying.
Still studying. So, Divina, if they have somebody who likes you, how old is she do you like? Pilay edad mong ganahan?
20 plus?
20 plus! we, don't, we don't have work 20 plus. So, this is you like 20 plus. Okay. You don't like 50s, 60s? You don't like that?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know what? 60 and 50 plus is very, always critical that with you. If you have, you like a young, you don't have job, it's better with you like 60. But this is you like 20s, right? It's okay. So, what else so how many days, you have a day of here?
Yeah.
How many days you day?
1 week.
Every week, every
Friday.
Every Friday your day off. So how do you do your doing day off? Kung saan kasi yung day off?
Sala.
Going. going. But you have a boyfriend now here? Or
No.
Okay. And then, most people to going with you because you say your day
Only
off.
me. Only me with my sister.
So where are you going that if you're going to day off?
Boulevard.
Boulevard every Friday. So you have day off every week once a day. So what time you're starting day off? One day or
Half day.
half day only. Like what time?
2 in the afternoon.
So
Evening.
12
Gikan sa
2 p.m.
hapon hangtod sa gabi.
So you're enjoy your day off because you're going in in Boulevard. Oh look, you are so beautiful that look, you are very morena. So now because you're looking for a future husband or
Boyfriend only.
No husband? Huh? Why? You're not ready to
I'm too young to get married.
right? That's correct. You need to enjoy your
I need to continue my goals, studying.
You need to continue your study. So this is your dreams. You like to you like your finish your study. This is your dream. So now this is Divina
Divina
Abueva. This is he loves to finish schooling, but we don't have somebody to support because the parent is broken. Your parent is broke. What that? Broken family.
Yeah.
So now Divina, he want to continue to going schooling. Grade 8 ka? Because he's always happy, Divina. Divina, yeah, you're very happy, right? So what is your thinking for working here? It's good for you? You are enjoying here?
Yeah, I love this work.
You love this here? So you don't planning to going in Manila or another cities? You don't planning doing
Maybe
that?
soon.
You like to go in that? Because you need to experience going to
Another
cities.
country.
You like to traveling another country?
Yeah.
You like to apply like OFW? Nan kag OFW?
Di, kanang maka-aturas gawas mo.
So you need to boyfriend foreigner because you love to going
Another
outside
country.
Yeah, someday, right?
Yeah.
Because
Maybe.
you talk speak English. So if you have somebody foreigner like you, why not to going to another outside country? So this is your planning. Good for you because you have your dreams, right? So now because you're being single, we have somebody to chatting with you here to say like
No.
chat, no? Why you don't like that? Wala, nag-chat-chat ni mo?
Wala. Pero naay na nga yung number na.
Somebody.
Mm.
But you know what? You need so careful that because you have a babies already, right? So Divina, thank you so much for sharing story in your life. Okay. This is the saving of Divina here. Okay, Divina, thank you so much.
Thank you.